Hey everybody, it's Wendy with loveandstampin.com. Welcome. Super excited for you to be here today. I've got a gnome punch art card that we're going to make. This uses several products that are actually going to be available in my punch art class, and I'll talk about that at the end. But this is also our Stampin' Anonymous tutorial bundle. That's available now free with any order. These are my April thank you cards. So I use Thanks for the Laugh stamp set, Poppy Parade ink, and several punches to make the gnome. And I'm going to list those here for each piece of him. So we've got a Whisper White card base, 5.5 by 8.5. A piece of designer series paper that is retiring. It is 1.5 by 5.5. A strip of Poppy Parade cardstock, which is cut at 1/2 inch by 5.5. And then for the gnome, we've got a pine tree punch, and I did emboss that with the ornate, I think it's ornate floral embossing folder is what it's called. And then his beard is the tropical dies, which are retiring and they're on sale. So if you want to pick those up, they're on sale for 18 bucks. And they're really versatile dies. They have some really cool leaves and stuff that you can use. And that is his beard. And then a 1/2 inch circle punch for his nose, which is only 6 bucks, and that's also retiring. So if you want to pick any of those products up, you can go to shop.loveandstampin.com and order, or you can just go to the links below this video. I have several links below this video for all the products that I have used today, so you can purchase them there. I do have a Mother's Month special going on, so if you use the host code, and I'll drop it below, you will get a free gift in the mail for me, so that's exciting. I have lots of retired products that I'm cleaning out and getting rid of, and so if there's something in particular you've been looking for or that you would like, you can always email me and ask if I've got that one. $35 order or more will get you a gift in the mail from me. Okay, so for the month of April, my customers are getting this thank you card. And you can see there I punched the perennial, I think it's perennial floral punch, perennial bloom punch in basic black. It kind of looks like a helicopter propeller to me, or an airplane propeller, I should say. And that's his feet. So I tucked the one up underneath his beard and have the feet sticking out. And then we're just going to take that 1/2 inch circle punch, which is punched in petal pink, and add this whole piece down to the beard, and voila, we have a gnome. And then we're going to add dimensionals to the back of him to pop him up on the card, and just use a little black pen to make his mouth, and you're done. Now, I did not wrap the Whisper White crinkle ribbon around this. If you do decide to take my punch art class, you get an entire roll of that as part of the class, along with happiness blooms, enamel dots. There's several things that you get with that punch art class. There is a link below the video to sign up for the punch art class. This card actually was originally going to be in the class, and we ended up doing something different. So there are 6 card designs total that are all punch art, and they are so stinking cute. So if you want to sign up for that class, again, link below the video to do that. I am partnering with my friend Rhonda in order to bring the class to you. And there is, of course, a PDF and video, so you will be able to put these together, the other cards together, with no problem. I know we didn't have a chance for story time today. This video is fairly short, but catch me live on Facebook on Wednesdays at 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and I generally always have a story for you. Here's some sneak peeks of those punch art cards. Again, link below the video to sign up. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and click that circle with my face in it to subscribe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.